Welcome back to Fabio's Fabulous Reviews. I'm Fabio, and today I'll be doing the unboxing and the initial setup for the Nintendo Switch 2. So let's get started.
You want me to start opening?
Yeah.
It opens from the back. And it opens. This. And then, oh my god, it looks so big! And then the Joy-Cons. They're the size of my palm. Look at that. And then the beast has been unleashed. So cool. Carefully, the instruction manual's in here, but I don't think we'll need it. We'll actually wait. The wires are in here. The wires and the Joy-Con Grip 2s are in here. I'm gonna put the instruction manual back because I've done my research, but it's always good to keep it in the box. And then this is the dock stuff. We can keep this in for now if we want to start setting up this.
Yeah. Careful.
This screen looks so big. I'm holding it upside down.
Turn it.
Nintendo. Wait, the kickstand. Oh, that's so cool. It's just so big. It's so comfy. UK, Australia, UK, English, US, I guess I'll just the Americas. Sure. It's super long. We're gonna get there eventually. Yeah. Except next. Internet settings. It feels so nice to hold in my hands. Internet connection, let's go. Okay. To download, you can complete. You can set up all the update downloads. You might want to skip this one. Okay, this one shows off our WhatsApp. Where would we be? Because we have to be in New York, right?
Yeah.
Well, I'm assuming we went too far down. New York. Switch to goes however you want. Oh, that's such a nice stand. And it stands back. Can I move on? Oh, detach. There's no música.
There's music? Oh, put it up, put it up.
We can do that later. Skip. Okay. The clicky buttons. It's just so nice to hold. My hands. I feel like I'm not a Herculean monster. System update complete. Yeah, let's start the system transfer. I'll get my Switch. Go to System. System transfer to Switch 2. Start system transfer. Insert it. Oh, we can insert it now because it updated.
Okay.
Let's get that. This is. I mean, really careful. So I have no clue how to open this. It's like this.
Yeah.
Like this, you insert an SD card. See, Nintendo. Cannot be used. Please continue without inject.
No, sign into your Nintendo account.
You sign it. Sign in with QR code. So get your mobile app. Yeah. Right, next. This is other. Oh. We need the charger. I'll get that.
Oh, because it needs
Yeah,
more.
I can use the top one.
Mm-hmm.
69%. System transfer to switcher. You can keep. Okay. Make sure the systems are nearby. Done. Done. About the user and agreement. Next. Let's go to and transfer. Save data from the following is will be removed from this system and transferred to the Nintendo Switch 2 system. Yes. This system. Pick up on each other. Okay. Oh yeah, good. Say bye to Switch 1 SD card. Let's say hello to Switch 2 SD card.
There goes the old. What is
Click
it?
yes, por favor. Move. Screenshots, videos to micro SD card, please. It should be fast because it's all on the console already, yeah. Okay. You will find. Alright, restart now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I'm really excited. System transfer complete. Oh. And everything's gonna re-download.
Okay, but where's the Mario World?
Software. Probably in the bottom of all this one. Everything has to load. No. Look at that. Beautiful. There America. This project has not been released. What? They haven't released this game yet? Nintendo's preventing us.
Alright, continue.
Nita, looks like I have to do it in the morning.
Please confirm. No, probably in about an hour or so.
They're probably waiting till like 1 or algo. Try again. Again or after? Oh.
Yeah.
Old Pro Controller charger has to go.
So, yeah.
Switch once. It's such a big dock. There it is.
Oh, that lid just comes off. It doesn't even hold on.
Docked in the meanwhile. Start. And this was. It is stuck in there. Charger. The beauty itself. The Nintendo Switch. Oh my.
Oh, it's white on the back. I like it. I like grayish. Alright. Now, I hope this video gave you guys an idea of how the initial setup and the unboxing is for the new Nintendo Switch 2. As you saw, there was an error. It is currently 2:17 in the morning for me, so we've been on this for over 2 hours now, and the Mario Kart World has not loaded up yet. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna make sure try again tomorrow or later on, I mean, and give you guys an update, see how it goes. Thank you very much. Please be safe, subscribe, like, and I'll see you soon. Bye.